When a lift needs service, proper lockout tagout is non-negotiable. Electrical, hydraulic, or mechanical work must be done only when the lift is isolated from all energy sources, secured against movement, and any stored pressure has been released. Use approved blocking devices or support stands as required. If it can move, it shouldn't be touched. Scheduled maintenance, performed by qualified personnel and documented, keeps lifts reliable. A lift is only as safe as the care it receives. Good housekeeping also matters. Clean floors, good lighting, and an uncluttered work area reduce slips, distractions, and hazards around heavy equipment. A well-organized shop also improves workflow. When everything is in its place, technicians spend more time working and less time searching or stepping around obstacles.